able keyboardist. So I'm going to do some things on the key of F sharp. So and what I want to do, I want to do two major work of keyboardist. I want to do a keyboardist work and auxiliary work. That is, I'm going to be playing my chord here. Then I'm going to be syncing here. That is the work of auxiliary keyboard. I'm going to be doing it there. Like you can do it in worship or something. Maybe you are the only keyboardist in the church and you want something and good sound for yourself. Let us just use this song, Yeshua for example. You know about your leading tone. So this place here is just about leading tone. But this place here, I'm playing my chord. So on the key of F sharp. So let us use the Yeshua as example. I move down to my 4. Amashido. I'm kind of playing version now. Your 3, which is me. La. Then from La you move to 2. Re. You move down to 6 again. Then you move down to 3.